So today I'm going to be trying hyperrealism for the first time. To be clear, I've been making decent drawings that looks really smooth and nice, and I'm honestly happy with what I create. But on the other hand, I've been seeing other artists on Instagram go extra mile by including realism to their works. Don't know if it was jealousy, but I also felt happy for them at the same time. But I couldn't sit back and watch others create realism with hands. I needed to do something myself, so I came up with this. Firstly, I needed a shooting reference picture, and the best place to get that is of course on Pinterest. After browsing the site for over 20 minutes, I finally found this well-detailed picture of Dwayne Johnson. So it's time to grid it and begin the grand project. Now, enough of the child's play, let's get to the main work. And if you thought I was going to start somewhere else, then you must be joking, because here at Oruh Samuel, we always start shading with the eyes. And now we start the first step of the hyperrealism, and that is creating the wrinkles of the eyes. To do this, I used my pen to dab the tiny dots on the paper. And not only dots, I looked into my reference picture and observed the texture of the wrinkles. Some are like straight lines while some are like dots. And what we do is we apply the same things here. Well, the eyes are done. It's time we get started on the main meat of the project, shading the skin itself. We are going to start with the nose using a brand new BIC pen. You must be wondering what's so special about starting with a brand new pen. Well, this is because new pens has these amazing features of making a light shading possible. And this light shading is exactly what we need for the first layer of this shading process.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead.
And for my shading technique, I used scribbling because it helps reduce a lot of visible lines. And the reason it's much easier for me here is because I'm using a brand new pen.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't.
I wanted to start creating the skin textures on the skin right away, but I thought, let's not be hasty. Let's kill two birds with one stone and shade the cheeks also, so we can add the details all together.
Screwed, dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get.
Once I was done with the cheek, I started to create the skin textures. What I did was to create white dots first. And I didn't just create white dots, I looked at the reference photo and noticed that the dots came in different shapes, and all I could do is follow the directions of the skin textures and apply the same on the paper. Let's go.
You said, I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there.
Now, after creating the white dots, the next thing that we do is to create the dark marks.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored?
Alright, so I was done detailing the side cheek, whatever. So I moved on to the foreheads and applied the same strategy with the experience we got. A quick tip while drawing: whenever you think you are getting tired, don't even bother yourself to continue, just pen stop and rest. I wanted to finish the drawing today, but as per se man no be firewood, I had to wrap it up and continue tomorrow. It's a new day, man is refreshed. Let's finish this thing.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma
This walk took me 9 hours to complete approximately. I just hope you guys love it. It didn't turn out as hyper-realistic, but we could consider it as semi-realistic work. The time you have been waiting for is here. The review.
doing is a tough. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight. fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, tough. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the
Thanks for watching this video. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you didn't, you can as well drop a thumbs down. Let me know your opinions in the comments, and I would love to see you in my next video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see other tutorials from me, then watch that video on your screen. Yes, that.
I will got fight, got pride, got reason. If you wanna go, you know